Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable sound for reminders, notifications on the Facebook app when you're using it on your PC. If you've been missing important reminders because there's no alert sound, this quick setting change will fix that. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look at the top right corner and click on the notifications icon. This is where you see all your recent alerts and activity updates. Next, at the top of the notifications panel, click on the three dots. This will open a small menu with more options related to your notifications. From there, select Notifications Settings. This will take you to a more detailed page where you can manage how Facebook notifies you about different activities. Now scroll down through the list until you find Reminders. This section controls notifications for things like upcoming events, saved items, and other reminders you've set or interacted with. Click on Reminders, and you'll see several options. Look for the setting called Allow Notifications on Facebook. Make sure this option is turned on. Enabling this ensures that reminder notifications are active within the app. Once this is enabled, your Facebook reminders will not only appear, but can also trigger notification sounds, depending on your overall system and browser notification settings. And that's it. You've successfully enabled sound for reminders notifications on Facebook using your PC. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and check out more tutorials for the latest Facebook updates and features.